Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 10. 2. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. Question number 2. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Here you see we have done it in a number line, that is step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see here how the monkey is jumping. Jumps 4 steps up, that is from 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is in first jump from 9 step to 5th step, right? And then jump back 2 steps down, that is from 5th steps to 7th again. That is, this is the second jump, right? And 7 steps to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the third jump is goes from 7th step to 3rd step, right? And in the 4th jump he goes from 3rd step to 5th step. Here you see this is the 4th jump. And the 5th step he goes from 5th step to 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 1, that is the 5th jump. In how many jumps will he reach? Therefore you can say that the monkey will reach back the top step in 5th jump. Again you see this is first jump, this is second jump, this is third jump, this is fourth jump, and this is the 5th jump, right? Therefore we can say that the monkey will reach back the top step in 5th jump. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.